कितना हो रहा है? शुरू करें? Hello, I am Mustaqim Hussain, principal of KK Children Academy, Joya. It is situated near about the bridge of River South, and I am going to the campus of KK Children Academy. And now we are entering into the campus of KK Children Academy. This is the park of KK Children Academy where the students are taking rest. And now we are going to the playground of the KK Children Academy, where many kinds of games and sports are playing here. This is many kinds of implements for the kids. All the kids of this academy play on this equipments, and now we are going to the playground. This is covered the bricks of all the KK Children Academy covered with wall of the bricks. And now we are walking on the ground. You see on the ground, well surrounded with well atmosphere. And now we are coming inside the building of KK Children Academy. Just now we are entering into the building of KK Children Academy. This is park and this is dustbin.
Right.
This is dustbin for rubbish. This is the ramp for physical students. This is dustbin for rubbish. And this is the board of welcome, all the guests and the students. And now we are entering into the campus of KK Children Academy, Joya. This is medical room. This is storeroom. This storeroom. This is the lab for physics, where the physics students do many kinds of experiments, and there are many experiments in this room for physics students. This is the camera for monitoring, and now we are going to the other room where there is the laboratory for biology. In this laboratory, biology students do many experiments. There are many kinds of equipment in this room. And in this room also CC footage camera for monitoring. And these are the charts papers. These are the water taps for the students, where the students drink cold and hot water here.
RO water.
This is the RO water, fresh water. All the taps are running smoothly, and here is also water taps for boys. All the taps running smoothly, and in these taps very fresh water. Drink all the students. Room for second class students, where all the students of this class get study. And these are the scenery for the students, which are looking very smart and handsome. And this classroom is too handsome for the students. And this is the classroom for third class. And this classroom also is too beautiful for the students, where the students of this class get studied smoothly.
Notice.
And now we are coming.
Notice board.
This is the blackboard for notice board. This is the notice board where all the information is included on this board. And now we are going to the chemistry laboratory where many kinds of equipment implements in this room where all the students of chemistry many kinds of experiments do here. So this is the room for staff, where the staff, all the staff of this academy take rest in the middle of the school. This is the room for the vacant. If any class is vacant, the room for upcoming classes. All the vacant classes for principal. Where the principal sit here and from his office, the principal does monitoring all over the area. The classes and just now we are entering into the class of 7th class, where the students of this class get to study here. Our class well surrounded. And just now, this is fire, क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Classroom for 5th class, where the students of 5th class get to sit here. Our class well surrounded by atmosphere. And just now, we look at the wet waste, where all the students throw the waste. This is the wet waste, and this is also dry waste, where the dry waste all the students throw it in it. And just now we are entering into the class of class 6, where the 6th class students study here. And just now this is the 10th classroom, where the 10th class students they will get to study in this class. And just now we are entering into the 8th class. This is the 8th classroom, where 8th class students study here. And just now, this is the sports room where all kinds of sport equipments here, as pad, balls, badminton, carom board, also here, and this is chess board. पैड बोला था मैंने पहले शुरू बोल दिया है. These are the pad and helmet for cricket students. And in this box, bells for wickets. Library. There are many kinds of books here. All these students, those students who needs on the books, they keep all kinds of books, all classes of books here. Every student should take book which he like. And this is the teaching reading room section है. Here the students sit here. All kinds of books available here. The students which he like, he can take. And just now here also there are many books in this almirah. The students can choose which they like. And this is the class for 9th class students. Where the students of class 9 study for sitting here. This is the main gate from where all the students enter into the KK Children Academy. And just now we are on the roof of this academy. This is covered all over the area from the boundary, and you are looking side this academy, all the area of other buildings. This is the playground of KK Children Academy, where all the students of this academy play many kinds of games. And back to this boundary, the South River is running from Amroha to Sambhal, Chandosi, and the other cities also. This is the vacant classroom for 11th and 12th class. This is also vacant classroom. Room where all the students of music learn here music, how to play harmonium, how to play naal, and just now I am trying to play harmonium. Now we are entering medical room where injured students take their first aid. This is first aid box where all kinds of medicines keep here. This is stethoscope. This is a separate toilet for girls. This is a separate toilet for boys. And this is toilet for physical handicapped, and this is a toilet for. This is a toilet for staff, ladies. This is the mission for KK Children Academy and vision here.